guys, this is part 3 of packing my children's lunch. So we're gonna be just the older kid eating their lunch. Let's get started. And 3, pretend. Just let me throw it out. Pretend. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action. Hey dudes. Yeah. Oh my god, it's been so long. Oh, my mom packed my lunch. Oh good. Okay. Oh, apple. Cheetos, finally. I love warheads. Yeah, I should know that. She's gonna make me cry. She didn't. She barely gets these. Like, look at that. They're granola bars, Sunny. They're like my favorite. They're lemon walnut apricot. They're like the best in the world. And do you see how chunky these are? So these are good. George. Oh, thank goodness she didn't give me a note. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, she ordered my Mexican food. Okay, then I drink. Okay, let's get eating. And they won't be. Okay, sorry guys. That song is stuck in my head. Okay, let's open that up. Ooh, I'm thirsty. Oh, did not expect that. The only thing bad about this really is the like when it goes down in your throat. That's the only bad thing about it. Finally, we're gonna have my walnut. Oh, you need help? Okay, you're welcome. Okay, I'm done with this. Put this in. I don't know why she gave me so many crackers. I'm definitely eating these. Let's see these. Maybe should I save it for a snack? I probably should. I'll save that for I'm gonna save these two. And then apple. I don't really want these. Sure, whatever. Oh my god, that is such a good story. No, tell us one more, please. Thanks. Excuse me, miss. How much time till we end the school? The lunchtime. 5 minutes. Okay. Ate that. Okay, I don't want any more of this. Ding ding. No. Okay. Wait, hold on. Come on. Wait for me. Oof. I did not die. I'm not from Roblox.